Stop trying to write the perfect prompt. Typing a question into an AI and waiting for a single answer is an obsolete way to work. Today, engineers are building autonomous control systems that run while they sleep. By mid-2026, the industry moved past the input string. Pioneers like Adi Osmani, Peter Steinberger, and Viv Trivedi established that inspectable agent loops and harness engineering were the new prerequisites for high-performance systems. Success now depends on the external architecture governing the model. This chart shows the Terminal Bench 2.0 results, which tested a top-tier AI model's coding abilities. Running on a basic setup, the model ranked 33rd. But when engineers wrapped that exact same model in an external loop system, without changing a single prompt, it rocketed to 5th place. Think of the raw AI model as just an engine. The harness, the code that handles memory and sandboxing, is the vehicle's chassis. Loop engineering is the autonomous navigation system that drives it around the track. Pouring billions into training slightly larger models yields diminishing returns. The true differentiator in AI performance is the architecture of the external system governing the model. Most people treat AI like a search engine. Ask a question, get an autocomplete. Loop engineering turns the AI into a reliable worker inside a continuous, automated control system. You engineer a process that prompts, checks, remembers, and reruns the agent until the job is actually finished. This diagram illustrates the industry standard for production loops, formalized by Kilo.ai. It relies on a 5-stage cycle: intent, context, action, observation, and adjustment. The power of the cycle lies in the final 2 steps. Instead of guessing blindly, the agent captures real-world feedback, ingesting an error symbol, like a compiler failure, processing it, and outputting a corrected checkmark for its next move. Developers use this structure to deploy specific patterns based on the problem. There is the rapid retry loop for simple syntax fixes, the plan, execute, verify loop for multi-step tasks, the parallel explore narrow loop for debugging, and the human in the loop gate for high-risk operations. By trapping the model inside this cyclical architecture, you force it to converge on a correct answer. The AI stops being a fragile autocomplete tool and becomes a relentless, self-correcting worker. But letting an agent run wild creates severe structural risks. Because loops can generate and ship thousands of lines of code while you sleep, engineering teams accumulate comprehension debt, a massive gap between what exists in the repository and what a human actually understands. This creates the verification paradox. An unattended loop solves problems much faster, but it also generates catastrophic cascading errors at that exact same speed. The industry's primary defense against runaway agents is the maker-checker architecture. It applies the engineering concept of two-person integrity directly to the AI loop. This visualization shows how the architecture splits the loop into distinct roles. On the left is the maker subagent. This is the creative engine responsible for drafting plans, proposing code edits, and pushing out rapid-fire solutions. On the right is the checker subagent. This is a conservative, role-based auditor. It validates constraints and ensures the maker's outputs are safe before execution is allowed. The loop only progresses when the checker explicitly approves the maker's output. Splitting an AI into a separate doer and auditor is the most reliable method for reducing hallucinations and preventing silent, cascading failures. Inside a corporate environment, this architecture faces intense practical constraints. Enterprises operate with limited compute budgets, strict data boundaries, and absolutely zero tolerance for production downtime. To deploy agents safely, engineers use a 7-layer optimization framework. The foundational rule is task triage. You only automate tasks that are highly deterministic and verifiable. Ambiguous or legally sensitive decisions stay with humans. This diagram illustrates how the system physically restricts the agent. Engineers programmatically enforce budget-aware ceilings at the controller layer, hard capping maximum iterations and token costs so the agent cannot consume resources blindly. Below the controller, the framework mandates work-tree isolation. Agents operate inside quarantined, ephemeral sandboxes, ensuring their experimental failures never touch human developers or live production data. Companies achieve reliability by building fixed programmatic barriers that prevent an AI from deviating. At this scale, the strength of the container matters more than the raw capabilities of the model inside it. At the core of that containment strategy are termination conditions. These are the precise rules dictating exactly when and how the agent must stop. This matrix shows 4 loop terminations. Success conditions provide verifiable proof the goal was met. Failure conditions force a stop if the agent introduces regressions. Budget conditions terminate the loop if iterations max out. Escalation conditions flag a human if irreversible risks are detected. A popular engineering mantra in 2026 is that done is a claim by the agent, not a proof. A loop running without strict termination conditions is just a dangerous infinite prompt chain. To see how this protects a business, consider a high-risk, non-coding scenario, an enterprise customer service system attempting to process a refund for a damaged item. This dashboard mockup shows the pipeline. The maker agent drafts a polite refund response, and the checker agent verifies it against strict brand policies. The agent successfully completes its tasks. However, because issuing a final refund is an irreversible financial decision, the worker agent automatically halts the loop and safely escalates the ticket to a human manager. Modern AI architecture aims to build complex systems that remain bounded, predictable, and safe under all operating conditions. If you want to build AI systems that actually scale, stop wasting time writing better prompts and start engineering better loops. Like, share, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more deep dives into modern systems architecture.